too thin or too light or too dark. I can feel it, I can't see it, but I can sense it with my fingers, and then I paint when it's ready. So cobalt is a very, very strong and stable color, and that's why you see a lot of blue pieces from Royal Copenhagen, because in the second firing we fire at 1,400 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is so high, and you can see the whole plate shrinks. This is the same plate. Everything shrink about 12% in second firing, but the color stays the way that we want, and we know how it reacts. If I worked with pink or yellow, there would be a risk that the color would fade away, or some places would be very dark or very light, and we can't control the color. So that's why for this underglaze technique we use cobalt blue. We have a green color as well, and we can work with a black color. So this is a fast and cheap technique with only 2 firings, and if we want to work with the pink and yellow colors, we have to use a slow and expensive technique where we fire 5 or 6 times in a lower temperature, and then the color will stay. But then you have to wash by hand, because pink and yellow, they can't resist the dishwasher. Here you can use them in dishwasher and microwave, it's no problem. It's very, very strong. But when we work on the pieces, these are fired only once, and you can see, you can hear it's soft, like a biscuit. So I have to be very careful when I touch. When we have something with a handle, I can't hold the handle and lift it up, because the handle will fall off. It's so soft, we have to be so careful. And some of the pieces are pierced holes, and I mean they're so soft. We really have to know exactly how to touch without cracking anything. But we learn. Yeah, it's an education to become a painter. It takes 3.5 years, and it's like any other craft. Usually I use a pencil. I remember everything, the pattern. I do a cross or some circles and place the paper, but this pattern is a little bit different. It's very asymmetric, so I can't use my pencil. I can't say I do a cross. It's not symmetric anywhere. So with this pattern, and only this pattern, it's a stencil. It's the same as in the pencil, and it will burn away. Yeah, and it will burn away in the firing. Nobody will notice. After painting, we cover with glaze, and then we fire for the second time. So the glaze makes it shiny and strong. No, because the powder from the pencil will disappear. No, in the firing.